Generally, they will ask the question, difference between financial accounting and management accounting for 15 marks, problems on ratio analysis, preparation of financial statement with the help of accounting ratio. Means we have to prepare a balance sheet with the help of the ratios. 2 marks question, they have to answer 5. 10 marks, they have to answer 2. 15 marks, they have to do. Totally 60 marks coverage. Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to have Management Accounting 6th Semester BCom, an introduction class. So it's one of the best we can have, how to study, what are the management contents are, what are the reports are, what are the cash flows are. We'll go detailedly. The syllabus are first agenda, what are the syllabus, what are the learning outcome, how many units are there, how many internals we are going to collect, what are the exam patterns. Syllabus, unit 1, introduction to management accounting. Number 2, financial statement analysis and interpretation. Number 3, ratio analysis. Number 4, cash flow analysis. Number 5, management audit and reports on management. So which are the 5 units are? Introduction to management accounting, financial statement analysis and interpretation, ratio analysis, cash flow analysis, management audit and reports on management. Very good chapters they kept here, especially for management account is concerned. Introduction to management accounting. Introduction, what are the concepts, meaning and definition, significance, scope, objectives and functions, difference between financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Generally, they will ask the question, difference between financial accounting and management accounting for 15 marks, and difference between the management account and cost accounting for 10 marks. Advantage and limitation of management accounting. So this will ask for 10 marks. Management account, role of and functions of management accountant. So this will also ask for 10 marks question. Financial statement analysis and interpretation, introduction, meaning and nature of financial statement, limitation of financial statement, essentials of a good financial statement, analysis and interpretations, meaning and definition of financial analysis, types of analysis, techniques of financial analysis, comparative statement, common size statement, and trend. So the problems come from comparative statement, common size statement, and trend analysis. These are this. Which have been, one is problem of comparative statement, common size statement, and trend analysis. So generally it will ask for 10 marks. Sometimes they may ask for 15 marks, comparative balance sheet. Now, this is important. Ratio analysis, introduction, meaning and definition of ratio analysis, use and limitation of ratio analysis, classification of ratios, liquidity ratio, current ratio, liquid ratio, and absolute liquid ratio, solvency ratios, debt equity ratio, proprietary ratio, and capital gearing ratio, earning per share and return on capital employed, profitability ratio, gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating ratio, and operating profit ratio, turnover ratio, inventory turnover ratio, debtor turnover ratio, debt collection period, creditor turnover ratio, debt payment period, asset turnover ratio, earning per share, and price earning ratio, problems on ratio analysis, preparation of financial statement with the help of accounting ratio. Means we have to prepare a balance sheet with the help of the ratios. Fourth one, cash flow analysis. These are all the items. introduction, meaning and definition, merits and demerits, difference between fund flow and cash flow. This will last for 10 months or sometimes 5 months. No, there is no question of 5 months. 2, 5, 2, 10, 15. Provision of Indian account service 7. AS provision of IND AS 7. Procedure of cash flow statement. Concept cash and cash equivalent. Classification of cash flows. Preparation of cash as per accounting standard 7. Only indirect method, direct method has been removed here. Management audit and reports on management, introduction, meaning, nature, scope, important, need, objectives of management audit, difference between financial audit and management audit. This will come. Steps involved in management audit, reports on management review and governance, introduction, reports of board of directors, management discussion analysis, annual reports on CSR. So these are very important chapters which we are having. So internal 30 marks, 1 and 2, first internal unit 1 and 2, second internal 3 and 4, third internals unit 5. We'll take the average of 3 internals and theoretical part, problem part. First 2 marks question, they have to answer 5. 10 marks, they have to answer 2. 15 marks, they have to answer 2. Totally 60 marks coverage. Books for reference, Gishwar Gowda. Yes, good books are Ishwar Gowda, S.N. Maheshwari, B.S. Raman, and S.P. Gupta. If you want, you can refer these books also. It is available in the library. Hope. So they have kept about 5 chapters. All the chapters are very, very important. So in the next session, I have given a hint of this, what's called syllabus, what we are having, and the problems which you are going to face here. First here, no. First unit 1, the first year, no. Difference between cost account and financial accounting for 15 marks. Difference between management account and costing accounting for 10 marks. They say what are the advantage and limitation of management accounting and role of management accountant. These are all the things you have to cover. Then financial statement analysis. Here we have to take trend values, you have to say, comparative balance sheet you have to study, and common size balance sheet you have to study. Then number cash flow statement. In the cash flow analysis, you have to prepare the cash flow with, they will give the 2 balance sheet. You have to compare the balance sheet and find out. And we have got a management audit, cost audit, difference between management audit and the cost audit, and we have got the ratios. All the ratios they have kept. So one is balance sheet ratio, one is the profit ratio. In the balance sheet, you have to go detailedly. In the what's called profit ratio, you have to study gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating profit ratio, operating ratio, then stock turnover ratio, all asset turnover ratio. All ratios you have to detail. So in the next session, we'll deal with all this. We will go with the introduction class, and first chapter will start in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.